Today I'm going to teach you how to make your pants a little bit longer. Take the seam ripper and rip the bottom seam where you can make it a little bit longer, okay? And try to make everything flat, okay? Which is with the iron, right? Get some scraps. You don't have to get the same fabric or like flat fabric, okay? Cut it exactly the same length, not exactly, a little bit longer than what you wanted to sew. I use a serger here to make it clean, of course, not I don't want it to fray, so I pinned everything on the bottom, okay, and then mark it where you can attach it together. And here we go, we are put the small piece with the main pants, okay? Take it and give it a small iron. Now the iron is gonna be your best friend because it's the only thing that's gonna make your thing looks clean and gonna make things easier, a lot easier for you. Give it a small tuck, sew it all around, and it's gonna be from the big piece to the small piece that we attached at the end, okay? Now look at that. All we're gonna do right now is we're gonna tuck this again to the inside, and you guessed it, we're gonna give it a small iron to just make everything nice and clean. Look at that. And now finish everything, give it iron all around, and take it again to the sewing machine and give it the final one. I promise this is the final one, okay? Now look at that, very clean, very nice. And this is before and this is after. That's a huge difference. And look at it with the shoes. I'm in love. Thanks for watching. Bye.